Good afternoon mga koys, all things bright and beautiful. I'm here in Zamboanga City. Have a good time going to summer in the river of Zamboanga City. Yan, we're having a fun together with my friends in Zamboanga City. It's so beautiful, located in Vista del Mar, the most beautiful beach in Zamboanga City. Here, you say, that's daungan ng mga barko. Ano po yan? Daungan ng mga barko dyan. Ito naman, here, ituan ng mga bata. Ang ganda po dito. El Bonita, yan. Ang maganda po dito, mga chicks. Lahat po dito ay mga Chabacano.